What's going on, guys? Zach with Overland Zam, and we are back. Many people have asked, and we're here to deliver. So we want to go over some quality mods for your Jeep Wrangler JL and Jeep Gladiator JT. Like in our last video, most of these mods are going to be available on Amazon. Some of them aren't. All of the mod links are going to be in the description below. Let's get started. This should be absolutely stock for the Jeep Wrangler and the Jeep Gladiator platform. It is Redline tunings, hydraulic hood opener. Yeah, this does not come factory stock, but Redline Tuning does an excellent job of bringing such versatility and ease to something that should automatically come with the vehicle. Redline Tuning did a great job with the Quick Lift Pro for the Jeep Wrangler JL and the JT. That bolts in here and bolts in here. No drilling, no mess. You don't even have to be mechanically savvy. It was super easy to install. Once when you mount the brackets, you simply put in the hydraulic and you're good to go. And I know that you might want to just go ahead and lift the hood all the way up. You can get into spots in the back of your engine compartment, and that's fine. All you have to do is either unbolt it or unhook it, and you can go ahead and do that. You still have all the capability with so much convenience. We use this as our daily driver, our cross-country traveler, and even an avid off-road vehicle. Life does a great job of making this thing messy, especially the trunk area. So a quick fix to that was that I put a sheet or a blanket over the back. That way I could protect my carpet. Well, I found out that stuff will just slide all over the place. It'll bump into each other, makes loud boom. And I'm like, man, this is annoying. I need to get a cargo mat. So JOYTUTUS's cargo mat for the rear, the trunk area of your Jeep Wrangler is the perfect fit. It has cutout inserts for your mounting hooks located inside the Jeep, as well as a cutout for the subwoofer. So if you have the factory subwoofer that's already installed in the Jeep, you can cut out to have a perfect fit with this mat. And if you don't, no worries. You don't need to cut it at all. It's very easy to clean. All you have to do really is take it out, throw it on the ground, hose it off. You can wipe it if you want to, dry it off, and put it back in. The material that it's made of is anti-slip material too, so things don't move around as much. Plus, the price point is extremely affordable. Having the custom fit that it has for the subwoofer, all of those things, this mat has done a great job at being at a price point that is affordable for all of us Jeepers. Most other mats going to cost you an arm and a leg. This one is available on sale on Amazon with the link below. Jeep did a great job bringing us the JL platform, which introduces a whole lot of technology in a rugged vehicle. The most noteworthy of this technology is the nice screen and infotainment system, as well as the dash cluster. Now you get a lot of information from these and you use them every day. As avid off-roaders, we're used to getting dust, dirt, grime, like all sorts of stuff inside the Jeep. We find ourselves cleaning it very often. What you don't really know, or what you don't really hear about, is how it can leave micro scratches, which leads to big gaudy scratches, as well as fingerprints all the time, glare. As a matter of fact, in my last video, my girlfriend hated the fact that we just cleaned the Jeep, we just wiped off the screen, and you could still see fingerprints and smudges on there like we never even cleaned it at all. After looking at several different products, we found ScreenProTech. They're a screen protection company that offers a solution in order to give protection to the screens inside your vehicle. ScreenProTech does this by offering a high quality film that they ship to you in this container, as well as everything that you need to install it in your Jeep, doing it yourself. And then it has a film that goes over your infotainment screen as well as the dash cluster. Now this separates them from the other competitors because most of them only have it for your screen, but they don't have it for the dash cluster. If you have pre-existing scratches on your screen, it will recondition the screen and make those scratches disappear. We have the anti-glare kit, which is supposed to significantly reduce glare as well as fingerprints and give you protection from the sun because it's UV resistant. Installation is simple with their intuitive installation videos that they provide on their website and on YouTube. Like tint, it is important to note that the best results will be seen after a few days when all the moisture is evaporated and the film has cured. As many of you know, I'm a big wing it guy that never reads instructions, but this is not one of those projects. It is easy to miss a step, so it is crucial to watch the instruction videos for proper installation and the best results. Looking back on it, this product is one that I wish I installed on the Jeep Wrangler sooner. It has significantly reduced the screen glare. Look, hardly any fingerprints. We definitely recommend this company and this product, especially as one of your first mods. Are you tired of always sitting on your phone when you get into the Jeep? Are you tired of putting that phone into the cup holder for it to rattle around? And are you tired of having a suction cup mount or a different mount constantly fall or rattle and shake your phone? Well, I hate these things too. And that's why I invested in the BulletPoint Rubigrid phone mount solution. BulletPoint's Rubigrid dash mount is something that I use all the time. Installation was a breeze. No drilling and no mess, as this system installs at the same screw holes already in your Jeep and is out of the way and doesn't block your line of sight. Not only does this phone mount have a spot for your phone, but it also has a spot for your GoPro. That's why we're able to do this hands-free. BulletPoint, you see that I don't have a tablet holder, help me out. This product is a little pricey, but when you factor the ease and usefulness that this mount brings, there really is no comparison. Now, our next mod might be a little bit odd, and some of you might have it in your shopping cart because you're like, man, do I really need this? Do I not need this? But I'm telling you, for you guys that have a passenger princess like I do, or even just anyone that comes into the Jeep periodically, this next mod is 100% worth the money. The mod that I'm talking about is this one right here. Savadicar's JL grab tray with microfiber protection. This thing is easy to install, has a microfiber protection layer to it, and all you have to do is pop it in. Just like that. Now, we do a lot of traveling for my job, and the reason that this mod is so wonderful is because before I had it, this was what I was greeted to in the cup holders. You can see
there's nothing wrong with this.
Amanda is laughing her butt off. So I come in here, I get my cup, I'm trying to put it down, okay? I move her phone out of the way, I give it to her. No problem. I'm trying to put it here. Oh, her sunglasses are in here. Miscellaneous things that I get upset about just to put my drink in the cup holder. Now, she has a spot just for her where she can conveniently put her items, and they're easy in her reach, and they're completely out of my way. Truthfully, this mod has saved our relationship. The most requested item from our previous video that I didn't mention are these seat covers. They're the black and red seat covers from Smittybilt, and they are absolutely fantastic. I've had these seat covers on the Jeep since the beginning, since I first got it, and they haven't been taken off to get washed or nothing. They're made out of a neoprene material, which is the same material as wetsuits. They deflect heat, repel moisture, and protect your seats from the elements. These seat covers are an excellent choice to pair with the Rubicon because of their red and black finish. It matches very well with the OEM Rubicon logos and dash color. They're also a great choice for anyone that has a Jeep Wrangler that just really appreciate and like the sporty look that this adds to your Jeep. Similar seat covers can cost thousands of dollars, but these come in at a price around $200. Smittybilt does offer 2 generations of these seat covers. There's generation 1, which doesn't have a removable backing for the MOLLE panel that's on the back of some Wrangler Rubicons. And then generation 2 does have the backing, so that way you can continue to use your MOLLE panel or opt to not use it. Now, because our Jeep does have the MOLLE panel in the back, we went with generation 2 because it has a removable system in it. On the driver's side, that's where I primarily use my MOLLE system, so I went ahead and removed that backing. But on the passenger side, I don't really use that MOLLE panel, so I kept the backing. That way I wouldn't use the elastic that's on the seat. I used the elastic that comes on the panel from Smittybilt. Now, in addition to all the storage that it gives you in your MOLLE panels, these seats come with storage in the back. So this has been extremely useful for our travels. I put a whole bunch of stuff here. That's why you can see those little ripples. But if you don't use them, you don't have to worry about it. We do a lot of packing and a lot of moving. So that's why these have been our best friend. As always, we want to thank you guys for watching, and we appreciate your continued support. It is wonderful being back filming YouTube videos. I know it's been a while since we have, but again, it's good to be back as we wrap up this video. Until next time, we'll catch you later.